What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial. I actually do a lot of hair tutorials on like Instagram and TikTok, but it has been quite a while since I've done one over here on YouTube, and I know not everybody has like all those other platforms, so I wanted to do a little hair tutorial today in honor of spring and summer finally coming around. Festival season is beginning. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get the absolute perfect beachy wave, whether you're going to Coachella, a different music festival, or you just want your hair to look super cute this spring and summer. I love doing a beachy wave during that time, and it's actually a lot different than like the traditional curl or blowout that we normally do. And it has taken me quite literally way too long to master it, and I think I finally have. There's like little tweaks that you can make that really bring this look together, so I figured I'd film a little tutorial today. Let me know if you guys want more hair tutorials like this. I can totally do that, but without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notified of all my future uploads, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, you're obviously gonna need a waver, something like this, not your traditional like barrel curling iron. There are a lot on the market. They're not all made the same. Some of them that I've tried in the past has just made my hair look frizzy and like not the vibe. Like it does not look like I spent time styling it. It just looks like I rolled out of bed. Like we want this to be polished beachy waves. I personally love the Power Wave from Wavytalk. This is a really deep wave and makes the hair look so, so beautiful. I wanna thank Wavytalk for partnering with me on today's video, but truly they make some of the best hair tools and they're affordable. And this waver is really, really nice. Again, because of how deep it is, it really gives a beautiful wave to the hair. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to use this to get that perfect beachy wave. And they actually came out with this limited edition bundle for Coachella. So obviously you will get the Power Waver right in the center here. And this is a specific color limited edition for Coachella. I love the orange. It's so pretty, literally perfect for summer. Then you also get heat protectant, sectioning clips, which are an absolute must when doing this. You cannot do it with like your full hair down. We're gonna get into everything. I'll show y'all. A cute little bandana, which is super fun to add if you're going to a festival. And last but not least, this, which is a literal lifesaver. It is a keychain, so you can throw it on your bag and you open it and it is a mirror and a brush. An absolute must, whether you're going to a festival or not. My hair always gets knotty, so this is going right in my purse. I will link the Coachella limited edition bundle down below. Literally gives you everything that you need to create this look, so you guys can shop there. But let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first thing is you're gonna wanna section off your hair. I will normally section off like the top third, and then you can use one of the little sectioning clips to section it off. Next, and arguably most important step, heat protectant. I cannot preach this enough. If you would not go outside when it was 320 degrees outside without sunscreen on, why would you put something that's 300 plus degrees on your hair without heat protectant? Like, we need to be protecting our hair, please. If you learn anything from this, use heat protectant. I actually really like this one from Wavytalk. It's their smooth barrier heat protectant spray. And I actually like to spray this on my brush. I'll go like this and then run it through my hair to evenly distribute, rather than just like spraying and hoping that I'm covering the areas that I need to. Okay, now one of the things I love most about this tool specifically is there are 8 different settings that you can use on this. It goes anywhere from 280 to 420 degrees. So depending on your hair type and texture, this is what I would recommend for you for timing settings. I'm gonna put it on the screen here. And there's also different timers to choose from between 4 and 10 seconds. The timer is gonna tell you when it's time to move on to the next section. You guys will see how it works, but I normally keep my timer pretty low because my hair is fine. I don't want it sitting on my hair for too long. So for myself, I'm gonna do it 340 degrees and 6 seconds. I don't know if you guys can see that on there. Once you have your settings done, one of the biggest things with wavers and what I see all the time and what I did all the time is people going in straight on their hair with the waver like this. That's actually not what you wanna do. We want like those beautiful beachy cascading waves, so you actually wanna do it at an angle. So I'm gonna go in at an angle like this, hold it down, and wait for the beep, which again will happen in 6 seconds. There it was. That means I can move to the next section. Same thing, just moving it down, keeping that angle. Beep, and then we can move it. It's so funny because my son's favorite word is beep beep. I'm like, maybe it's from this thing. He learned that. And last section on the bottom. Boom, perfect beachy wave. Then once it's done, I just throw that section to the back so we don't ever go over the same section of hair more than once, and continue on doing the exact same thing. It's also really nice because this can hold a pretty large section of hair, so you honestly can do your full head pretty quickly with this. If you're going to a festival or something and you got a lot going on, it's not gonna take you too long. I'm gonna adjust my camera back a little bit so you guys can see like the full length of my hair. I feel like this is a little too zoomed. Maybe I'll just move myself, that might be a little bit easier. This also has dual channel negative ion vents, which basically what that means is gonna give a very sleek, shiny look to your hair. That's what I love. My hair always looks so shiny when I use this and not like dry and frizzled. It'll also help smooth frizz and static, and it's gonna really give you that boost of like silky, shine. I keep trying to adjust you guys back so I can show you, but I think I just need to adjust myself. But side one is all done. Literally love. Now, another key thing is when you're doing beachy waves like this, don't go in with a brush and brush it through. If you want to like loosen anything, I would just go in with your fingers very gently, but honestly with this waver, like this is to me, my perfect wave. So I don't need to loosen it. Like I love how this looks as is. Now I'm just gonna go in on the other side and do the exact same thing, holding at an angle, clamping, and then moving it down and throughout my hair. And now depending on the thickness of your hair, obviously you can definitely like cater this, but I do about 3 sections on my lower half of the hair and then about 3 on the top. So again, you can do this very, very quickly, but you can obviously use smaller sections if you want it to look like a little bit tighter and more uniform, but I personally like to use those wider sections to give that messier, beachier look. Look at how good that wave is. Love. Comment down below if you guys are going to any festivals this year. I actually got invited to Coachella, but I don't know if I'm gonna go because I really don't wanna leave my son, and that's just a me thing. But I will definitely be, you know, watching online and seeing everything because it does look like the lineup is pretty good this year, but I don't have any music festivals planned. But let me know if you guys are going to any. Okay, the entire bottom section is done. Loving the way that it looks. Again, you can run your fingers through if you want, but like how stinking beautiful. Now we're gonna make our way to the top section. Now, same thing on the top. Do not forget that heat protection. Get it through your hair. And one thing I do actually like about theirs is you can literally bring it all the way up because it's not gonna make your hair oily. Not all heat protectants are made the same. Some of them are more wet, which that is better to be used on like your wet hair before you were to blow dry it, where my hair is obviously already dry, which you want your hair to be dry to use this product. So you don't wanna make your hair wet before using it because then that's just gonna cause more damage and it's like not gonna do you any good. So I like this one because it's more of like a dry heat protectant and it's not gonna make your hair oily or anything, and definitely not gonna make your hair wet when using. On the top, I do use slightly smaller sections. Look at how pretty that looks. Ooh! And you'll notice that I don't go all the way to the root with the waver. I like my roots to still kind of sit naturally and then begin at like, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 inches down. That's more of a personal preference. I just think it makes the hair look a little bit more sleeker that way, so that's how I personally like to do it. But if you bring it up closer to the root, it will give you more volume. Especially on the front piece, I like it to lay like kind of naturally towards the top. And then I go in at a little bit of a deeper angle to get that kind of cascading down look to the hair. When I first started like waving my hair, I was trying to do it all the way up here, and on me, I just didn't like the way that it looks. I think this gives a better look. All right, we have made it to the last little piece, and we are done. I absolutely love this. Like, are you kidding? The most perfect beachy waves. So pretty. And like I said, you do not have to be going to a festival to do this. I think it's so fun for spring and summer. It just is like effortless beach girl. And honestly, it really doesn't take a lot of effort. Like I did this whole thing in less than 10 minutes and I have a lot of hair. And look at that shine, like literally insane. So good. And now if you are going to Coachella or a festival, I personally am just like a hair down girly, like that's just me. But if you wanted to like jazz it up a little bit, you could totally add the bandana, which would actually look really cute with this. Like just tie it in the back and it'll protect your scalp from the desert heat and like all the dirt and stuff. This could totally be a vibe. You could do half up, half down, but I personally just love it down like this. I think it's so pretty. Let me know if you guys try this and how it works for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will have the entire Wavytalk limited edition Coachella bundle linked down below if you guys want to shop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.